Open up a new voice project in GarageBand and record your tracks. Hello. 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 Once you're done recording your tracks, go to the scissors icon at the top, track, pitch correction, limit to key, and enable flex. Hello! For plugins, go to the knob icon at the top, master, drop down menu, go to audio units, Melodyne, Melodyne, click on Melodyne, click transfer, and playback, and it will record it in Melodyne. Hello! The cool thing about Melodyne is it allows you to edit notes, which you can't normally do in GarageBand. Hello! Save your project. Hello! And there you go. You can auto-tune whatever you want.